too high. Not too. Hey, you stealing it.
Just remember to keep it pointed up because it'll drip off.
And turn.
Let's put it in this part.
Oh, that's much easier.
You're about to burn yours. Blow it out. Blow,
Oh,
blow,
no,
blow.
no.
It's like something's being burned right here.
Ugh. Be still.
Do you got butt one today?
Ooh,
Nope.
Here you go.
Finally, your Rudy strike lost.
There you go.
Mm.
Ah.
Good.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yummy.
It's been 100 years since I tasted it. At least a year.
That's going to catch on fire. You ready?
Maybe a little bit more. 1 century later.
Okay,
1
about to
century
drill.
later.
Been a century since I
There you
do
go.
not even think about it.
Good.
Yummy, yummy.
You want one?
Mm-mm. Too sweet for me.
That's always your excuse.
Looks like Hero wants one.
Oh, of course he does.
That's your excuse to not
Do not
have
put
fun.
your nose on that one. It's hot, Hero.
Why is it purple on camera?
That's a good one, baby.
I like mine brown.
Yeah. I
Me
think-
too, but mine failed.
Should we really be eating flammable material? Things that catch on fire are called flammable.
So maybe not.
We're almost there.
I kind of want milk to go with this.
You can have milk. You can get milk. Do you know how? Yeah.
Here you go. You want to come in? Here. No.
It's like a portable, like a
Mm-hmm. Fireplace.
yeah, fireplace. Like, I want some too. Where's mine? It's a chocolate. Is that good for you, Hero? Sorry.
We actually gave him one once since I went out the chocolate.
Mhm.
Speaking of, can I have another one?
It needs to be.
I think this was mine.
Hold on. Does it matter?
Yeah, that's it.
It's pretty hot down in there, so you ain't gotta have flames. It'll still go.
More s'mores. Some more of s'mores.
You wanna know what you got?
Yes, please.
There's no flame, but it's still very hot. So if you hold it down to it, baby, can you put the camera down?